Hi Rockstars, welcome to another week. Just like that, it's Monday again. Where did last week go? It was so fast, it went so fast. And this week's going to go really fast too. I've got so much to do. I've got a wedding dress to finish. I've got a couple of alterations to do. I don't generally do alterations these days, but sometimes someone comes along who is, you just can't say no to. And this lady got in touch with me and I made her mum's wedding dress 15 years ago when I was in the UK. And her daughter, who's getting married on Saturday, now lives in Canberra. And she got in touch and asked if I could do her alterations. And her mum is here from the UK, so I got to catch up with her and, yeah, reminisce about my shop in England and making her dress all those years ago, which was really lovely, really lovely. It's funny how things work out. That was really good to see her, and yeah, I'm happy to help out. But in general, I don't do alterations anymore just because I find them too stressful. If I mess up something that I'm doing of my own, it doesn't matter, I can start again. If I mess up doing an alteration for someone, I can't get another dress, so it's just too stressful, that's my reason I don't do alterations anymore. Apart from that, I need to obviously film my videos for this week, and then this weekend I'm having a huge open studio and clearance sale. I just have so much stuff in the studio, it's just ridiculous, and I just need to make some space. It's just absolutely jam-packed in here, so it's time to move some sample dresses, especially some of my older sample dresses on. By the time this goes up, the open studio would have been done and finished, so if you couldn't make it here, I will be listing things for sale on my Facebook page, so go and check that out. And over the next few weeks I'll be listing all sorts of bits and bobs. I've got corsets that I brought over from the UK with me that have been sat in a box that I need to move on, so go follow my Facebook page, and over the next few weeks I'll be listing everything for sale that I need to go to a new home. And it makes me sad when stuff's just sat in a box hung in my studio. I'd much rather it was out being worn and being loved and someone's going to make use of it. So yeah, massive sale, massive clear out. Just popped to my local fabric shop to get some bits and bobs that I need. I use Addicted to Fabric in Phillip. It's a fantastic shop. I really urge you to support your local fabric shops, your small independent fabric shops, because they're going everywhere in favour of the big Lincrafts and Spotlights or whatever it is you have in your country. They may be slightly more expensive, but you get better quality stuff, you get better service, you get people who actually know what they're talking about, so go and support them instead of going to the big chain stores. Now I'm going to pop into the Salvos and see if there's anything that takes my fancy. I've got a couple of ideas for rock top frocks for this week, so I'll go and see if I can find what I need for those ideas, or if something else grabs me and becomes my rock top frock for this week. I found two things that I liked at the Salvos today. The first is this dress. And I love this because of this print on the front, this beautiful mirrored print with bright reds and pinks flowers. There's poppies in there, and then these two roses at the top. And I think I'm going to remake it into a dress for me, but I love the idea of having the roses maybe come up over the shoulders. But I've got to be careful that I don't end up with the poppies looking like nipples. So I'll have to plan that one carefully. And then I found this beautiful knitted Alana Hill dress, which cost me $12, and it's just going to be a perfect little piece to add to my winter wardrobe. And I think I'm going to use this in my autumn lookbook video soon. And then I got home and found a parcel waiting for me. So I ordered 2 wigs a while ago and they finally arrived. I've got a long black one and I've got a long brown one as well. So the brown one is for a specific rocked up frock that I'm planning, which I'm going to hopefully do in the next couple of weeks. I think I've got the fabric, I've got the dress, now I've got the wig. There's just a couple of more little bits I've got to find to go with it, and I'm really excited to do this one. Okay, time for me to get sewing on this wedding dress, and then tonight I've got Jolene and Bambi from Crew Bits joining me again to film a video interview for the Just Be Revolution.
Bang!
She bang!
We should do a quick little dance so you can have a
Go!
little...
I'm moving out of the way. Let's move the stools.
She bangs, she bangs. Oh, baby, when she moves, she moves. I go crazy.
It's like a unicorn and sings like a bee. See ya.
Bye.
Ink Bits and Bambi have just left. That was just brilliant fun. Those two are just amazing. I can't wait for the show. It's about 8:30 and I now have to film my tutorial for tomorrow night because I've got a wedding dress and an alteration to finish during the day tomorrow. So tonight's the only time I've got to film tomorrow night's video. I just got a delivery from Colourpop. I've got loads of their little pressed eyeshadow powders and they were doing a special offer. When you bought 4 you got a free palette to put them in. So I've got a new pressed powder highlighter in Silver Play. And oh my god, look at these colours. So that is Rex, Hot Toddy and Liberty. And I've got some new lipsticks as well. I love their ultra matte liquid lipsticks. Oh, and a concealer. I forgot about that. That's So Low. Then I have Mars. Oh, look at that. Hot pink. That's stunning. I'm gonna love that one. That's Mars. And then this one is Bad Habit. And that's another pinky colour. I've got loads of reds. I didn't have a lot of pinks, so gorgeous. Super happy with those colours. I'm just going to pop my pressed eyeshadows into the palettes and I'll show you those as well. We've got Celestial, Liar Liar, Pebbles and Get Out in this one. And then this one is Now and Zen, Beam Me Up, Tiny Tangerines and Two Piece. I bought these to fill in colours that I just don't have already. So between those, the 3 Super Shocks, that's given me some great new stuff to experiment with. And that's the lipsticks now they've dried as well. So that's Solo, Mars, Bad Habit. I love Colourpop. It's such a great price and I think the quality of the product is just brilliant for the price point and it's all cruelty free. So get on the website and have a look and see what you can find. I can't wait to put all these on my face. You get cute little cards when you get your Colourpop order too. It's Friday already. It's going to be a crazy day. This morning I'm filming Rocked Up Frocks, so this is my dress that I'm rocking up this week. So I'm going to film that this morning, then I have a meeting and then I have to set up for my open studio and sample sale which starts at 5 o'clock tonight. I've just finished filming the end of this week's Rocked Up Frocks video. Oh, the dress came out super cute. I can't wait for you to see the before and after. I didn't do much to it, but it was enough to really transform it. And this is my hair and makeup look to go with it. Super cute. I now have 10 minutes to go and have some lunch before my 1:30 meeting. Oh my god. It's Saturday morning and my open studio is on again. I had a few people come and see me last night, sold a few little bits and bobs, and now I am back today for day 2. So let's see what happens. Let's see how much we sell today. It's the last day of my sale and there's still loads and loads of stuff here. There's so much still here. So much. So it's Sunday lunchtime and my open studio and sale is just coming to a close. It hasn't been as busy as past sales, but I've still made a lot of sales to the people who did turn out, which is really great. So I've sold some dresses, loads of jewellery and beads have gone. And I got some new orders as well, which is really exciting. So every time I think things aren't working out and I feel like it's time to give up on the online stuff, someone comes along and places an order and makes me think, no, this will work, I can do it. So yeah, feeling a bit more positive about everything. I just need to work out how to get people to order online as well as in person. So yeah, something to keep striving towards, keep working towards. So not quite ready to give up on it just yet. So I've got about 5 minutes left of the sale, so I doubt I'll get anyone in now. So it's time to start sorting and packing it, and then I'm going to start listing a lot of the dresses that are left and bits and bobs on my Facebook page for sale, see if I can move a few more of them, make some more space, because it's just jam-packed in here, it's ridiculous. And yeah, see what happens. So this week coming up, I've got lots of meetings, and then it's Easter, so it's going to be a short week. It's going to go quick. So I've got some orders to work on. Yeah. So I'm finishing the week feeling a little bit more positive, which is great. We'll see what next week brings.